Managing and tracking manufacturing and production operations is no small task. For safety signage manufacturers, today's manual tracking processes often lead to inefficiencies, delays, and quality issues. Introducing ViXR Engage, the ultimate production module designed to redefine your operations. With AI-driven automation, ViXR Engage seamlessly connects your estimation and production processes, ensuring a smooth transition from planning to execution. Once your estimate report is generated, purchase orders are directly integrated into the production module. Our AI optimizes workflows, prioritizing tasks and resources to keep your operations running at peak efficiency. ViXR's AI engine doesn't just stop there. It predicts demand, optimizes inventory, and ensures you always have the right materials at the right time, reducing waste and saving costs. With real-time production monitoring and analytics, ViXR Engage gives you complete visibility into every stage, from manufacturing and printing to packing, dispatch, and delivery. Transform your operations today and deliver results that leave your customers smiling. ViXR Engage, the future of manufacturing, where precision meets speed.